Ever dipped your toes into the cryptocurrency pool? Maybe you've heard of Bitcoin, the OG of crypto, and figured it might be worth a shot. But then reality hits. Where do you even begin? There are exchanges, wallets, endless charts, and enough jargon to make your head spin. Now, Cash App has become a popular way to buy Bitcoin for beginners. It's a familiar app. You might already use it for sending money to friends. But is it really a cheap and easy way to get your Bitcoin fix? Let's break down exactly how much it costs to buy Bitcoin on Cash App. First things first, Cash App doesn't exactly advertise their fees up front. They like to keep things mysterious. But fear not, crypto detectives, that's what we're here for. Cash App charges you in two main ways, spreads and withdrawal fees. Spreads sound technical, but they're actually pretty simple. Imagine you're at a currency exchange booth at the airport. They won't give you the exact exchange rate you see on Google. They build in a little extra profit for themselves by buying low and selling high. That's a spread. Cash App does the same thing with Bitcoin. The spread can vary depending on market conditions, but it usually falls somewhere between 0% and 1%. So, if you're buying $100 worth of Bitcoin, you might actually only end up with $99 worth, or even less. It's not a huge chunk of change, but those little percentages can add up over time, especially if you're a frequent flyer in the Bitcoin world. Alright, so you've absorbed the spread and become a proud owner of a minuscule amount of Bitcoin. Now you want to move it out of Cash App and into your own crypto wallet, maybe for safekeeping or to trade on another platform. This is where withdrawal fees come in. Cash App offers 3 withdrawal speeds: standard, rush, and priority. The standard option is free, but it can take up to 24 hours. Not ideal if you're planning on buying the dip and prices are fluctuating wildly. For the impatient investors, there's rush, 2 hours or less, and priority, 10 minutes or less. These options sound tempting, but they come with a price tag. Cash App charges a network fee, which is the cost of processing the transaction on the Bitcoin blockchain itself. On top of that, they add their own little fee, up to $3 for priority and $2 for rush. So, depending on how urgently you need your Bitcoin and how much you're withdrawing, these fees can add up quickly. Buying $100 worth of Bitcoin and then paying a $3 fee to withdraw it right away kind of defeats the purpose of starting small, right? Here's the bottom line. Cash App is a convenient option for beginners to dabble in Bitcoin. But those hidden fees can take a bite out of your profits, especially if you're not careful. Is Cash App the cheapest way to buy Bitcoin? Absolutely not. Several dedicated cryptocurrency exchanges offer lower fees and more transparent pricing structures. However, for casual investors or those just dipping their toes in, the ease of use of Cash App can be appealing. Just remember, convenience often comes at a cost. Do your research, understand the fees involved, and decide if Cash App fits your Bitcoin buying strategy. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.